IBM Watson is an AI platform for industrial applications, offering predictive maintenance, quality assurance, supply chain, and production optimization. Siemens MindSphere connects machines to the digital world, providing data-driven insights and analytics to optimize manufacturing processes. GE Predix is an industrial IoT platform designed for manufacturing, focusing on predictive maintenance, asset performance management, and operational optimization. Spark Cognition is an AI-driven industrial analytics platform that offers predictive maintenance, anomaly detection, asset protection, and operational optimization. Site Machine provides real-time manufacturing data analytics, performance monitoring, and predictive quality control to enhance manufacturing efficiency. Uptake is an industrial AI and IoT platform that delivers predictive maintenance, asset management, and operational insights to improve performance and reliability. Machine Metrics offers real-time machine monitoring, predictive maintenance, and data analytics to improve machine uptime and productivity on the shop floor. Augury is an AI-based machine health platform that provides predictive maintenance, condition monitoring, and diagnostics to prevent equipment failures. Odin Technologies offers real-time monitoring, predictive maintenance, and process optimization to improve manufacturing efficiency and reduce waste. Falconry provides operational AI for manufacturing, including pattern recognition, anomaly detection, and predictive analytics to enhancement.